Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your orders in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on pizza tracker and here you will be able to find all of your orders. Now you can see that right now you have no active orders. I have no active orders, sorry. So I have no active orders yet. That's because I didn't really use this application to order pizzas, but if you're a regular user and if you have an active order, you will be able to see that here in this page. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.